and I am Nilofer. I'm the student manager of this college, takes responsibilities for admissions and everything. And today I'm here to present my college in front of you. So first of all, the question arises that why you should apply for France, why you should apply for Paris as your study option. So you have a good reason to apply for France as your study destination because first reason where every student runs behind that French is a speaking country. French is one of the a good spoken language in almost 1500 countries all over the world. So it's one of the best things where you will be studying in. And France welcomes students for study options. So you get good opportunities for studies, for jobs, for part time. So it's open for all. And you will be having bright future. And there are many companies which is French based companies in India. So we have good terms with France, and you have better options for studying in France. Okay. And now when we speak about France, France is famous for many things. It's famous for fashion management, fashion, Paris fashion week is famous. So so France is famous for fashion. Next, France is famous for its wine management. Okay. So not the one. 1 minute. Okay. France is famous for its fashion. Second, France is famous for its wine management from France itself, and France is famous for its food and beverage management, for hospitality, tourism management, for IT management. So many things France is famous for. So if you apply for a French institution, you will be learning at the best place. Next thing, Collège de Paris is located in Paris city, and everybody knows Paris. It's famous, so everybody knows Paris. And in Paris, it's located in La Défense. La Défense, see, this is the college campus. It's in La Défense, Paris, and it's one of the huge campus of Collège de Paris. And La Défense is one of the first and foremost business district of France. All the government companies and MNC companies, government offices are located over here. So if you study in such a place where you get lots and lots of opportunities for full time, for part time, for jobs, you get a good exposure. So you will be studying in a best place. So this is La Défense, your college location. And we have many campuses. We have Collège de Paris has around 12 to 13 partner and member schools under it. We have many member schools, and it's one of the very old college of France, formed in the year 1949. So it's very old college of France, and since 1949, Collège de Paris is having its all courses, which is in complete French language, not in English language. But recently, since last 5 years, college has started up with English taught programs. So we have many English taught programs. Now see, what happens when you think about studying abroad, you first of all you decide which place you want to study. So first thing is that Paris is the good option. It's a French speaking countries, and for entry criteria it's not mandatory that you should know French language, right? Next thing, French is spoken in almost 1500 countries across the globe. So it's one of the best place where you will be completing your education. And another thing, you should make sure about the locations. Location is most important because you will be studying in the best location called as La Défense, which I told you. It's one of the biggest business district of France. Now you think a lot many things when the question comes about trusting the college and everything. So Collège de Paris is RNCP accredited college, right? So it's it's formed in the year 1949. That shows that it's one of the old college. Next thing is the accreditation ranking, which plays very important role. So it's RNCP accredited college, as well as all the courses of this college is RNCP. So whatever programs you are applying for, all the programs are RNCP approved, as well as the college is RNCP accredited, right? So it's the best. Everything is very good. And coming towards the course options, you can see we have many courses which I will be informing you right now. So first, you can see this slide. We have many options for bachelor's, master's, and MBA. So when you see bachelor's options, you can see we have bachelor's in business administration. Right now, only one bachelor's. And in masters, we have many masters as of now. We have masters in international marketing, masters in luxury and fashion management program, then masters in food and beverage management program, then masters in project management, masters in IT, masters in tourism and hospitality. So we have variety of masters, and masters program is of 1 year duration course. And all the courses you will be studying in, maybe you apply for bachelor's, you apply for masters, you apply for MBA. All the courses are designed by experts in such a way that after completing your course, maybe you go ahead for um, master's or bachelor's or MBA, you will be getting a complete knowledge and experience about your own field, including you will be learning business tactics, business analytics, then business laws, human resource, sales and marketing, project management. All these things will be covered in each and every course. So that what happens once you complete, you study this program, you can become your own entrepreneur, you can have your own business, you can start up with some own company by your own self, or else if you're working with some firm, some MNC companies, then your position will be starting from the managerial level. So the course has been designed in such a way that you will be placed on the good position after completing your education. Okay, now you can see all the courses comes up with different campuses. So we have campus in Paris, we have campus in Lyon, uh, and also we have campus in Montpellier. So I will be discussing about Montpellier at the later stage. Right now you can see in front of you Paris campus and Lyon campus. So Paris campus means you will be learning in La Défense, Paris city. And or for MBA, we have only one MBA as of now for Paris campus, that is Global MBA. So in Global MBA, you will be completing 2 years of this course with two different countries, experience. Like first year, when you will be studying in La Défense, Paris city, you will be getting an experience of how management, business, and administration is working in Paris. And secondary, in second year, when you apply for partner universities for third semester, that means for 1 semester, you can apply for UK, US, China, Thailand, Ireland, or Dubai. So Dubai has been recently added over here. So you can apply for any of these options, whichever you want to. And after completing your global MBA, you can imagine like how you will be learning management, business, and administration of Paris city. Similarly, you will be completing your education in the same field for other countries. For example, if you apply for Ireland for your third semester exchange, then Ireland will be teaching you their business tactics and analytics and laws and all the ups and downs related to business management into their country, right? So it's a very beautiful program, very good, where you can enhance your knowledge and experience in terms of business administration. So here, as I told you earlier, Paris is famous for its fashion, food and wine management, cheese management, hospitality, tourism, and all. So you can see all the courses are under one roof. That means you can see in College de Paris, you can see we have international marketing, where you can come, where you can understand about the sales and marketing, about the business management programs. Then we have fashion, where you will be understanding about fashion technologies, and food and beverage management. Now here, food and beverage management means the management part of hospitality industry. It's not the cooking part. So make sure here you will be learning the management part of this industry, including wine management and cheese management, which is as a part of your curriculum. And project management comes with a specialization, like a student who wants to, apply for some kind of project, how to analyze, how to do the cost management and everything, they can apply for this course. And then masters in IT. Earlier we didn't had 1 year of IT, we had MBA in IT, but now we have masters in IT, which is 1 year duration. Then the student who is interested for tourism and hospitality, who is interested to explore new places to the people, can apply for this program. And then comes up MBA, that is the global MBA. The name is global, that means which has the experience of two different countries related to management, business, and administration. Okay, so now here it separately I have kept this one, which was included in my earlier slide, that is masters in fashion and luxury management, which is taught through Ecolcont. Now see, Ecolcont is on top 5 ranking. It comes under Grand Ecole of the ranking, and it comes on top 5 when it comes for fashion management program. So Ecole has good ranking, which is partner of Collège de Paris, a member of Collège de Paris. And for project management, as I told you, student will be completing their studies through Lyon campus, and Lyon is around 4 or 5 hours away from Paris city. In Lyon campus, student will be completing their project management. So if you apply for project management, make sure that you will be completing this course in Lyon campus. All right. Now comes the important part for the student, that is the fees. Now see, here this is the fees of all the programs which I have told you earlier: masters, MBA, and bachelors. So fees for masters is 12,000 euros, 290 is administrative cost. Then for MBA, fees is 18,000 euros and 290 is administrative cost. For bachelor's, tuition fees is 10,000 euros for each year, and only first year they have to pay 290 euros, that is administrative cost. And you can see here, for 2 years course also you have to pay only first year fees as of now. That is for MBA, if it is 18,000 euros, you have to pay only first year fees 12,000 plus 290 administrative cost. So this is the fee structure for all the masters, for MBA, and for bachelors, right? Now, one important point you can notice over here, that is masters and MBA, you can see that college provides 2 months of guaranteed and paid internship. So here students don't have to, worry at all that what to do and how to do to grab internship options. So you have good benefit that college provides you 2 months of guaranteed and paid internship, and salary will be approximately 400 euros for 1 month. So you are getting 400 euros salary for your master's or MBA program during your internship. So this is the best option what you are getting from Collège de Paris, right? For bachelors, don't be depressed where we have kept no internship option. Here we have mentioned for internship, French language required, that is B2. We have a reason for this. That is, bachelor students, very hardly anybody comes up with the options of asking college whether they are looking out for some kind of job options or internship options or something. So staying in a same place for 3 years, that means they are well versed with the country, with the people, with the job options, with job opportunities, maybe part-time, full-time, or whatsoever. So bachelor, as they are 3 years in the same place, so none of them have come up with the options asking to the college that please help me out for getting internship. So as we didn't receive any query from bachelor students, that's the reason why we do not provide internship for bachelors, because they get it by themselves. They are very smart enough to grab the internship opportunity. Only for bachelor, masters, and MBA, we do assist them. We do give them guaranteed paid internship, right? So this is the fee structure. I informed you about internship, and this is the best thing which you will be getting for as you reach in Collège de Paris. Now, I will be introducing you to another campus which is in Montpelier, and Montpelier is again around four
Just
five
a
hours
minute,
away.
ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, this session is going to stop now. So I request all the students to rejoin with the same ID and password. Okay?
So shall I stop it and again rejoin it?
Yeah, actually, this session is going to off now. And now, so again, I request everyone to rejoin it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, fine, will do.
Yeah.
Yeah.